Good morning, children. In the last class, we had completed our principles of training program. What are the different principles of training program? How the training program should be carried on with what principles? In this, we are going to study about one principle of training program was warming up and cooling down. So, warming up. What is actually warming up? Now, whenever you go for a games, in school also when you go for a sports program, if you go for a sports day or a sports program is conducted in school, if you are participating in any type of sports, like for an athletic game, if you are participating for a 100-meter race or 200-meter or 400-meter race, then before you don't come to the point and start running. Before that you do certain warming up, like stretching up, flexibility exercises. So few exercises you do before starting your main game. That exercises which we do before starting our main game is known as warming up. So warming up in itself is a practice, or warming up tones up our body. It makes our muscles relax, our machine, our body, as you already know, our body is a machine. So our body comes in that condition which responds to different types of nerve impulses, which responds to whatever work we do. Like in case of a machine, you have to give lubricants to it so that its response becomes faster. In the same way, whenever you are doing exercises, before starting with exercises, we need to carry on certain warming up exercises. And generally, the warming up exercises should be connected with the sports that you are going to participate in. Now, there are different types of warming up. Different types of warming up. First is passive warming up. Passive warming up, and the second type is active warming up. Passive warming up and active warming up. Passive warming up is to increase body temperature without any physical activity. So, if your body temperature has to be increased without doing any physical activity, then we call it as passive warming up. Like you sit in the sun, you take a sun bath, naturally body temperature will increase, right? Or you take hot drinks, your body temperature is going to increase. You massage with hot oil, take a warm water bath, take a sun bath. So this is all going to increase your body temperature. But passive warming up does not give a better performance in sports. It does not give a better result in sports. So if you have to have a better results in your game, then you need to go for active warming up. So in active warming up, exercises are being done. So active warming up by performing exercises. If you perform exercises, then if you perform exercises or other physical activity, then you will have a better result in your sports. So active warming up, it is also of two types, general and specific. Active warming up is also of two types, general warming up and specific warming up. General warming up, generally what we do whenever we go for any type of a sports, every type of warming up we can do. Stretching भी करते हैं हम, flexibility भी increase करते हैं body की, and we do wind sprints also. Then we do some running exercises also, jogging, jumping. Every type of exercise or warming up exercise is included in active warming up. The duration is also more. Now in general warming up, whatever exercises we do, the duration is, as I said, it is more, but sometimes it also depends on the nature of the exercises that we are performing. What type of exercises we are going to perform, or what type of sports we are going to play. For that purpose we go under general warming up. But when we talk about specific warming up, a specific warming up includes only those exercises which may help us in the sports that we are going to play. If we are going to, for example, if a sports person is going to play cricket, then he has to give in warming up for only those exercises which is going to help him out in the field of cricket. A basketball player may practice for layup shots or free abilities. So a specific warming up, in case of a specific warming up, the main stress is laid on the practice of the various skills that have to be performed in the game. So general warming up and specific warming up, both are two. General warming up, any type of exercise before your sports can be done. That will come under general warming up. When we talk about specific warming up, it is related to the skills that you are going to perform, means your sports skills, the game that you are going to perform. According to that, the specific warming up is done. Okay. Now there are different methods of warming up. ये तो था types of warming up. Now let's see what are the different methods of warming up. Methods of warming up. Warming up methods include jogging, simple exercises, striding, stretching exercises and wind sprints. First is jogging. You all are aware of jogging. How jogging is done. Then simple exercises like stretching, simple exercise, हाथ ऐसे ले जाना, हाथ ऊपर ले जाना, हाथ पीछे ले जाना. This is all simple exercises. Then striding. Striding. Striding means covering a distance with long strides. लंबे लंबे stretches लेके आगे बढ़ना. Take long steps and move forward. That is what is known as striding. Then stretching exercises. is stretching exercises. The way you stretch your feet, the way you stretch your hand, that is what is known as stretching exercises, because when you do stretching exercises, the muscles become toned up, the flexibility of your muscles increase. And wind sprints. Wind sprints. This is the last part of warming up. It is usually done with spikes. Like a distance of 25 to 30 meter may be covered in wind sprints. There can be 4 to 8 repetitions depending on the experience of the sports person. जितने sports persons की experience है, according to that wind sprints can be carried. Now, besides these methods, there are other methods also of warming up, like warming up with warm water. Warm water is also a method of warming up, and this warm water is usually done in developed countries. है ना, जो developed countries हैं, they take shower is taken with warm water, and then their body temperature increases. Then warming through massage. Oil massage, hot oil massage, that is good for curing certain type of muscle injuries. Hot drinks. You might have experienced yourself that if you are taking a glass of hot milk or glass of hot water even, and after consuming it, you will find that from inside you are feeling sweaty. Sweat is there. So that is by taking off hot drinks, your body temperature, internal body temperature increases. Then through sun bath, sitting in the sun for a longer period is also going to increase your body temperature. Or by steam bath. By taking steam bath, the body can also be warmed up by steam bath, in which energy is saved by steam bath. But this method of warming up is not very frequently used. So thus we saw that these were some of the methods by which warming up can be done before starting a sports, before performing a sports. So this is all for today. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you so much, children. So we'll continue with the next topic in the next class. Thank you so much.